Hello, this lesson is about angles formed between parallel lines and transversals. Um, Here I've got two sets of two parallel lines. These arrows on them tells us that they are parallel, and this line which is crosses both of them is called the transversal. When you got such a situation, you got 8 different angles formed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you have two sizes, and say if one of them is 50 degrees, then there are 4 angles here which are 50 degrees. And the good thing is the other angle is also 180 minus 50 degrees, so 130 degrees. So here, any angle you had would have been 130 or 50, if one of them was 50. So if, for example, this was 50, then this would be 50, 50, 50, 50, and this would be 130, 130, and 130, and 130. Okay, so two sizes and 4 of each size. We have some terminology and some concepts here to consider. If you take this bit of the parallel lines, this is parallel line, and this is the other parallel line, and this is the transversal. They form a C shape, similar to C shape in English, and these two angles are called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. If you take this bit, which I've done here, so this and then transversal and this part up to here, then you end up with an F shape, and these two angles that you have here are called corresponding angles. And if you take this part of that parallel lines and transversal like this, you end up again with two angles, and these two angles are called alternate angles, and they form a Z shape. Now, alternate angles are equal. So if two angles are alternate, they are equal. Corresponding angles are also equal. And co-interior angles are not equal, but they add up to 180 degrees, or they are supplementary angles. One more thing which also is not related to parallel lines, when two lines are crossing, you get 4 angles, and two angles which are opposite to each other, like A and B here, we call them vertically opposite, and they are equal. Also, X and Y are vertically opposite, and they are equal. So that larger angles are X and Y, and they are vertically opposite and equal. The same with the smaller angles A and B. Here you've got some examples. Find the value of X below. So I've got two parallel lines because they've got arrows. I know they are parallel, and then there's a transversal. They want me to find the value of X. Before finding the value of X, I can look at this 130 degrees and this angle which I've marked with Y, and they are very similar to what we have here, which are corresponding angles. So then 130 and Y are corresponding angles, so that means Y is 130 because corresponding angles are equal. So Y is 130. Then X is 180 minus 130 because they are on a straight line, so that becomes 50 degrees. Angles on a straight line add up to 180. That's example 1. Example 2, we have got here two lines crossed by a third line. They are asking us if the line L1 and L2, this is line L1, this is line L2, if they are parallel or not. And the answer to that is yes, they are parallel, because their co-interior angles add up to 180. This is a C shape. They are forming a co-interior angle, and they add up to 180, and so they are equal. So I can just write this here. Yes, as their co-interior angles add up to 180. So here we are going backwards. We are saying because the co-interior angles are equal, then they are parallel.